Did you know that you can upload files to your Squarespace website and link to them from other places online and even your email marketing campaigns? In this tutorial, I'll show you how it works. If you're new to this channel, my name is Ana Lea. I'm the owner of Lea Design Studio, where I create custom Squarespace templates and courses to help you look stunning online. And here on this channel, I share design and tech tips to help you work smarter and not harder. So if that is something you're interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button. And now let's dive into today's tutorial. So I'm over here on my website and I want to show you how we can upload a button that will link to a free download. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I am going to pretend that this button is the one that I want to link to the file. So I'm going to go over to website and then under the not linked section, I'm going to click plus and go all the way down where it says link. And now we're going to name the link something descriptive. And under the link, we are going to click the cogwheel icon. And in the link editor, click on File. And then you can upload the file. So I'm going to click Upload and upload this example file. And then I'm going to click Cancel and Close and discard. And don't worry, because this won't actually delete the file from your website. We just don't want to create an unnecessary link. Now that I've uploaded the file to my website, I'm actually going to go to this free resources page and I'm going to pretend that this is the button that I want to link to that file. So I'm going to edit the page, button, and then the pencil icon. And under the link, I'm going to click the cogwheel icon, click File, and I'm going to select this file that we just uploaded. Now, mind you, you could have done this at the same time as linking it to the button, but I wanted to show you how you can upload it to your website even if you don't want to use it immediately. So we are going to click that file and I'm going to set it to open in a new window. And then I'm going to click Save. And as you can see now, Squarespace will give us a link where this file lives on our website. I highly recommend you copying that and saving it in something like your Notes app or Notion or wherever you keep your links. So I'm going to click copy that, and then I'm going to click Save. Now I'm going to click Exit. And now when somebody clicks that button, a new page should pop open with that file loaded. And as you can see, the file loaded. So now you know how to link a button to the file, and you can do the same with regular links. So let's say that if we set it to link, then here under the cogwheel, you would go to link editor and then file, and then the same process, essentially, you would click that file, make sure it's checked, click save, and then click apply. And now this link will link to that particular file. I'm going to exit though, because I want to show you how you can link to this file in any other place online. So in a chat, in a group, in a document, or wherever else you need to. So if you noticed, I actually copied the link that Squarespace gave us when we were setting up the button. And in order to link to that file without sending them to this page and telling them to click this button, what you can do is you would go to a new tab and then start typing in your domain name. So whatever the domain that is associated with your site is. And once you've typed in your domain name like this, click on just paste the link. You would type in your domain name, Control V to paste the link that Squarespace gave us when we set up the button, copy the whole thing, and then you can press enter to see if the file will load, which it will. But that is essentially where the file lives on your website. So as you can see, it loaded. And now I can share that link wherever I want. So all I have to do is paste that link. You can save it in the Notes app. You can save it in something like Notion, Google Spreadsheet, Asana. Click up wherever you store your links and just copy and paste it whenever you need to. And that's how you can upload a file to your Squarespace website and link to it from other places online, whether you want to link a button on your website, whether you want to share the link in a chat, in a group, or anywhere else. And I've got so much more to teach you about creating a website with Squarespace that actually converts. And I have a free training that walks you through the entire process step by step. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely check that link in the description below as I'll link to it. And if you want to learn more Squarespace tips and tricks, then I recommend you definitely watch the next video. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time.